down to Georgia and he was looking for a soul to steal. He was in a bind because he was way behind, but he was willing to make a deal. When he came across this young man sawing on a fiddle and playing hot, well, he jumped up on that hickory stump and said, "Boy, let me tell you what, I guess you didn't know it, but I'm a fiddle player too. And if you care to take a dare, well, I'll make a bet with you. Now, you play a pretty good fiddle, boy, but give the devil his due. I bet a fiddle of gold against your soul, because I think I'm better than you." The boy said, "My name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet and you're gonna regret, because I'm the best there's ever been." Johnny rustled up your mud and played a fiddle hard. Those cats broke loose in Georgia and the devil deals the cards. And if you win, you get this shiny fiddle made of gold. And if you lose, the devil gets your soul. The devil opened up his case and he said, "I'll start this show." And fire flew from his fingertips as he rosined up his bow. Well, he drew that bow across the strings and it made an evil hiss. And then a band of demons joined in and it sounded something like this. Let me show you how it's done. And they play it, "Fighting the man from Boys Run." Devil's in the house of the rising sun. Shaking in the red pen, picking up dough. Ready as you go, but no child wrong. Been beat, and he laid that golden fiddle on the ground at Johnny's feet. Johnny said, "Devil, y'all come on back if you ever want to try again. I done told you once, you son of a bitch, I'm the best there's ever been." And they played, "Fighting the man from Boys Run." The devil's in the house of the rising sun.